Welcome back to channel Civil Engineering Academy. In this video, we will understand compass surveying in the very simple words. We will learn what compass surveying is, why it is used, types of a compass, bearings, then local attractions and complete step-by-step procedure for the compass surveying. So this video is specially made for civil engineering students and the beginners. We start with the very first point, that is what is a compass surveying. Compass surveying is a method of a surveying in which the directions of a survey lines are measured using a compass and the length of a survey lines are measured using chain or tape. So in simple words we can say that the compass gives us the direction and the chain or the tape gives us the distance. And in the compass surveying, directions are always measured with respect to the magnetic north only. So this is about the compass surveying, but the next question come in the mind that where compass surveying is used, right? So the compass surveying is used when the area to be surveyed is large and the very high accuracy is not the requirement and the survey is to be done for the preliminary planning only. So in such a type of cases we can use the compass surveying. Then it is commonly used in the route surveys like roads and the canals, forest areas, rough and the hilly region where we have to do the preliminary planning only. So in such a cases we can use the compass surveying. Now the next point is principle of a compass surveying. Compass surveying is based on the principle of traversing. A traverse is a number of connected straight lines. And for each survey line, the length is measured on the ground and the direction is measured using the compass. So this combination of a length and the direction help us to plot the survey area. So on this basic principle of traversing, the compass surveying is work. Now the next point is types of a compass used. In the surveying, there are the two types of a compass commonly used, like first one is the prismatic compass and the second is the surveyor's compass. We'll check the details of both one by one. So the first one is the prismatic compass. The prismatic compass is the most widely used compass in the surveying and it has a graduations from 0 to 360 degree. And the bearings are read directly with the help of a prism and the least count is 30 minutes. Now the next type of a compass is the surveyor's compass. The surveyor's compass has a graduations from the 0 to 90 degree and the graduated ring is fixed and the magnetic needles moves freely. So in this type of a compass we'll use the quadrantal bearing. Of a compass are nowadays it is outdated. So the prismatic compass are used more as compared to the surveyor's compass. Now the next point is what is bearing? Actually bearing is a horizontal angle between the survey line and the reference meridian. So in simple words we can say the bearing tells us the direction of survey lines. Then there are the different types of bearings like whole circle bearings and second is the quadrantal bearing. Now the next point is fore bearing and back bearing. The fore bearing is the bearing of the line measured in the forward direction and the back bearing is the bearing of the same line measured in the opposite direction. So the relation between them is the back bearing is equals to fore bearing plus or minus 180 degree. And this relation is used to check the accuracy of the survey. If the difference between the back bearing and the fore bearing is exactly equals to the 180 degree, then we can say that the traversing is accurate. Otherwise, if difference is there, then we can say the error in the measuring or the local attraction may be there. So this is about the fore bearing and the back bearing. Now the next point is magnetic meridian and true meridian. True meridian means direction towards the geographical north, which is fixed in the direction. And the magnetic meridian means the direction shown by the magnetic needle, which is changes with the time and the place. Now the next point is local attraction. The local attraction occurs when the magnetic needle is disturbed by the nearby magnetic materials such as electric poles, steel structures, iron pipes or vehicles or anything else like that. And because of this local attraction, bearing readings becomes incorrect. So this type of error is called as an error due to the local attraction. Then how to detect the local attraction. So the local attraction is detected when the sum of a forebearing and the back bearing is not exactly equals to 180 degree. We already seen that the addition of forebearing and the back bearing is always equals to 180 degree. If there is a difference in forebearing and the back bearing, maybe it is greater than 180 degree or lesser than 180 degree. So in that case we can say there is an error because of the local attraction or anything else. Now the limitations of a compass surveying, it is having the low accuracy, it is affected by the magnetic disturbances a lot. Then next limitation is it is not suitable for the detailed surveys, and it is having the error due to the local attraction. So these are some limitations of a compass surveying. Now we'll move to another point on the compass surveying, that is applications of a compass surveying. It's primarily used for preliminary surveys. It is also used for the route surveys like roads and the canals. It is also useful for the geological surveys, military surveys or the forest surveys like that. Now the advantages of a compass surveying are, it is very simple and the quick method. It is suitable for the rough and the preliminary surveys, and it requires the less skills. It is also economical and very useful in the hilly and the forest areas where we require to do preliminary work only. Thank you so much for watching video till end. If you found the content of video useful, then please like it, share it with your civil engineering friends and subscribe channel.